Do you know that many cats actually enjoy going for walks? It helps them get exercise and create a stronger bond with their owners. However, cats first need to be trained using a few simple steps, and it's best to start when they are still kittens. 1. Allow your cat to explore the leash before putting it on them. 2. Once your cat is comfortable with the leash, put it on them each day and gradually increase the amount of time. 3. Practice walking indoors in familiar surroundings and let your cat lead the way and explore until they are comfortable. 4. Now your cat can start with short walks outdoors and gradually increase the duration. Remember that not all cats will enjoy walking on a leash, so it's important to respect your cat's individual preferences. And it's suggested to wait until your cat has received all of its vaccinations.